Boom, dum, dum, da, dum, dum, da, dum, dum, dum.
Hello, this is Eric Zan with Hot Trash Games, and we're back here once again with our main menu project. But this time we'll be going over data persistence, at least through single plays, and if you're coming from Unity, you know about the singletons and the do not destroy objects. Flax Engine does not do that. Instead, it uses game plugins, which and check out which ones you have in here. Create new plugin, all this good stuff. Or you can do it in code, which is what we're going to do. So, start yourself a new script. Let's just call it game plugin. Okay, we do not need any of these. Never mind. Get rid of everything. And get rid of your script because you are inheriting from game plugin. Now you can have a public my plugin or whatever you want to name it. But let's go with my plugin. If I could type, I could conquer the world. And you can have in here just a description. I've got a description already in a different file, so we'll just go ahead and copy that and move it on over. Same name. My plugin. There we go. Now it stopped yelling at me. Okay, so this is just general description. New description. You got your name. Game singleton in my particular case. Category is a game plugin. This is my custom plugin made with Flax, and author is me. Now, the important part is the next two functions. Public override initialize. Yes, thank you. Oh, that is good. Base initialize. And we'll go ahead and add a debug. .log plugin created. And now public override, which just means that it is something that is within the API. Deinitialize. Debug.log. And up. And that's it. And just to check, be certain. Debug. Play.
Oh, I probably
Plugin
should have warned you
created.
about that.
cleaned up. This go throughout your game, and it is perfect for keeping your variables. So let's just do an int. Oop, sorry about that. Public int presses. Now let's make another script. Now to access these, let's first do if dot key, get key parentheses keyboard keys dot e to debug. Okay, so to get this stuff, how you need to actually call it is, and you can of course cache this somewhere. It's very convenient to do that. But you need capital P plugin, capital M manager dot get plugin carrots your plugin name plugin. I believe that was I called it. Yes, class my plugin. Parentheses, period. Presses. That will print that out. And here we want to take that exact same thing and increment it up. Now we just put that on. Sure, the camera. Let's also turn you off. Camera. That is rather weird. Alright, but anyway, more importantly, start over again. Boom, same number. And you can use this to go in between scenes. Do I have a second scene? Yes, I do. There we go. Camera, we will put the same code. I remember to do it like that. Okay, there we go. We play in this scene, and it still keeps it. I hope this was useful. Please like, subscribe, and leave a message. Share with anyone who you think might find this useful. And if you think you can do a better job, which you're probably right, please do. I could use some good tutorials to look at. Have a wonderful day.